Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase social media skills with LinkedIn Learning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase your social media skills using LinkedIn Learning, start by creating an account on the platform if you don't already have one. Visit the LinkedIn Learning website or open the mobile app. Log in using your LinkedIn credentials or sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, use the search bar to enter relevant keywords like social media or social media marketing. Explore the wide variety of courses available. Look for courses that match your current skill level, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. Pay attention to course ratings and reviews to gauge their effectiveness. Take note of the course duration to fit it into your schedule. As you choose a course, check the course outline. Ensure it covers topics you're interested in, such as content creation, analytics, or platform-specific strategies. Start with foundational courses to build your base knowledge if you're new to social media. Follow that up with specialized training to deepen your expertise in specific areas. Take advantage of the video content and supplementary resources like quizzes and exercise files. Set aside dedicated time each week for learning and practicing what you have learned. Engage with the community features on LinkedIn Learning, such as Q&A or discussion boards. Apply what you've learned in real-life situations, either through personal projects or by volunteering. Consider obtaining LinkedIn certifications for completed courses to showcase your skills. Utilize the playlists feature to organize your courses by interest or skill level. Regularly revisit your learning path to stay updated on new social media trends and platforms. With discipline and commitment, you'll see a marked improvement in your social media skills. Leverage your enhanced knowledge to develop effective social media strategies that align with your career goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.